Have you ever wondered why some people work day and night, dream big, pray for a better life, yet nothing really changes for them? And then there are others who seem ordinary but still move ahead. Is this fate? No, these are the small mistakes we make every day. We think they don't matter, but the truth is they quietly block the path to success. In this video, I'll tell you about the 3 major mistakes that if you stop making today, nothing in the world can stop you from moving forward. Mistake number 1, trying to please everyone. Almost everyone makes this mistake. We all want people to like us, appreciate us, and think well of us. But the reality is that the person who tries to make everyone happy ends up breaking the most. You can never please everyone because some people will only like you as long as you benefit them. Your success, your dreams, your goals belong to you, not to everyone. If you want to grow, learn to say no. Learn to put yourself first. People who sacrifice their peace just to keep others happy always remain incomplete. Mistake number 2, doubting yourself. This is the quietest but the most dangerous mistake. When you start telling yourself that maybe you can't do it, maybe you're not capable enough, then you're building a wall between you and your success. The world will only believe in you when you believe in yourself. Successful people feel fear just like you, but they move forward anyway. They know mistakes will happen, but stopping is not an option. That's the real victory. Remember, you are not what people think about you. You are what you think about yourself. Once you learn to trust yourself, nothing can hold you back. Mistake number 3, waiting for the right time. This is the biggest mistake people make their whole lives. They say the time isn't right yet. They wait for the perfect situation, more money, better conditions. But the truth is the right time never arrives on its own. The people who succeeded never waited. They just started. No matter how tough things were or how many people stood against them, if they had waited, no one would know their name today. The world doesn't remember those who kept thinking. It remembers those who took action. So the next time you tell yourself it's not the right time, remind yourself that this is the time. If you truly want to change your life, stop these 3 mistakes from today: trying to please everyone, doubting yourself, and waiting for the perfect moment. Success doesn't come to those who keep thinking about it. It comes to those who take action. So from today, think less and start doing.